Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Punnuri. In this video, I am going to show you very interesting kitchen decor using plastic bottles. Today we are going to make a beautiful kitchen decor using only top part of the bottle. And I chose this bottle because it already has a design on it and I cut it along the existing design. Now trim the edges to get a neat finish. It is difficult to hold small containers while painting, but don't worry, we will find a way. Yes, it works this way. Now start painting using acrylic color. You can choose whatever color you want. Don't forget to dab with the sponge to get a uniform coat of painting. It's time to make some design on this. By now you all must have understood that this is my favorite design. If you are not comfortable, you can simply make some dots or some geometrical designs. Make some design on cap also. We will cover the cap by sticking a jute rope. Try not to leave any gap in between while sticking the rope. I felt the neck part also needs some design. If you feel the white is looking too contrast on black, you can smudge a little gold color on your fingers and then apply on white. Final part is to apply 2 coats of varnish. We need opaque plastic bottles, means not transparent, to add in our decor. Now cut the flat part of the bottle. Now make markings of either oval shape or rectangle on these parts. You need 6 to 7 of them in all. Now we will make an outline along the outer edge of the oval shape using 3D outliner. Now let's see how we are going to assemble these bells and the oval pieces. Before that, we have to make a hole at the center of the cap and at the bottom and top part of the oval shape. This is the bottom part of the decor which we are going to make. You can add whatever beads available for you. Now add the oval pieces and then add some beads. So the pattern depends on the number of bells and the oval pieces which you have. Make a knot on top to make the oval piece stable. So this is how our decor is ready now. This is how I hung it in my kitchen. Can you guess what are these oval pieces are for? Yes, I am going to write today's menu on these pieces. So these are the pieces for breakfast, lunch and dinner. After hanging, I realized without writing anything on it, it's looking beautiful as a decor itself. As I am using a whiteboard marker pen, it is easy to wipe off and then change the menu, or you can use a wet cloth. If you don't want to change and write the menu every day, you can write some fun quotes and keep them forever. So guys, if you don't have so many bells or if you don't want to make such long one, still you have another option. Take a plastic bottle which has flat surface and cut it as you are seeing in video. Make an outline the same way which we made on oval pieces using 3D outliner and let it dry completely. Add just one bell and some beads, then add this plastic piece. Here I am showing you the simple way to make this decor. If you want, you can color it also. But trust me, without adding any color, you can still make it look so beautiful. Yes, now our piece is ready. So this is the another option. You can write beautiful quotes regarding kitchen. As we are writing with whiteboard marker pen, you can wipe it away and you can keep changing the quotes once in a while. Whenever you place any decor in the house, it should not be a hindrance in our work, especially in the kitchen. So I found this place is the best place in my kitchen. Now we'll make hanging planters using plastic bottles for the kitchen. Use only the top part of a plastic bottle and cut it in an angular way and make your own design on that. Here I am using 3D outliner, and to match with my kitchen decor I am using red and white colors. Once you finish making the design, let it dry completely and apply 2 coats of varnish. Make holes at 3 places on the bottle for hanging. You can tie any rope or a thread, whatever available at home, and finish making it. Now add any water grown plants in this and hang them in your kitchen. So this is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Next week I'm going to show you a very interesting decor for your kitchen, so don't miss it. So keep watching my videos and keep sharing with your friends. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.